Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this Monarch butterfly makeup tutorial and costume. This is a really easy look to recreate for Halloween. You could easily change up the color scheme to match any other type of butterfly. To begin this look, I'm going to first use two lipsticks as a base on my eye, placing the yellow in the inner corner about halfway and then the orange from there to the edge of my eye. This is just going to help the eyeshadow stick and make the color really pop. So I'm just going to take a brush to blend that out. Then right over top, placing my eyeshadow, I'm using these two bright yellows here from the Brazil palette, and I'm really going to pack the color right over top of the lipstick. So it's more of a pressing motion rather than a sweeping motion to start. Once your color is in the place you want it, you can then start to blend up and outward to the brow bone and where the orange will begin. Then I'm using this neon bright orange from my Laura Lee palette and placing this right over top the orange lipstick. Again, packing the color right on the outer corner and then blending it outward towards the edge of my eye and then with a light hand inward to meet up with the yellow. From there, I'm just going to use the same shadows and follow the same steps. So as many times as needed to get it as opaque as I want. I'm just going to repeat the process of packing on that color and then using a very light hand with a ton of blending to blend these out until I'm satisfied. Then taking a small brush, I'm going to bring this orange down on the lower lash line from the outer corner about 2/3 of the way, meeting up with the yellow eyeshadow in the inner corner. Moving on to glitter, I'm going to first apply the Stila liquid glitter on the inner corner right over top of the yellow, and then I'm taking this beautiful glittery orange shadow here from Touch of Soul and placing this right over top of the orange. Again, you want to repeat the process of applying with the patting or pressing motion rather than blending to really get the most out of the glitter and pigment. Everything that I'm using in this video will be listed down below as usual, so check that out for more information and direct links to shop. I recently purchased these brushes and I highly recommend them for applying glitter products. Next, I'm going to quickly apply my mascara and then move on to my brows, filling them in as normal, first with my pencil and then with my tint. Now I'm going to add my concealer, so I'm placing this in the highlight areas, so the areas I really want to brighten and lighten and even out the tone. Then right over top, I'm going to take my foundation powder and just buff this on all over. Using my bronzer, I'm going to place this in my contour areas, so my forehead, cheekbones, jawline, bottom lip, and the sides of my nose. I recently fell in love with this highlighter. I'm obsessed. Like, look how stunning this is. I just can't even handle it. And it was perfect for this look. So I just applied this down the center of my nose, my cheekbones, the cupid's bow or top of my lip, and brow bone. Then I just added my falsies and moved on to my blush. Once the first falsie set are dry, I'm going to use these really fun costume style lashes on the outer corner, bottom lash of one eye, and outer corner, top lash of the other. I thought these decorative style lashes were perfect for this look. They're just like shaped as ivy and leaves, so they just added a bit more interest to the eye. Moving on to the costume part of this look real quick. This was so easy to do. So this is the original headband that I purchased, and I just didn't think it was enough. I really wanted something like a big statement headpiece. So I purchased two of these, and then I purchased another set here, which are more of the orange tone butterflies. I just ripped those off from the other headbands, and using a hot glue gun and extra wire, I applied the rest of those all over the original headband. So this is what the end result looked like after. I did have a couple more left over, so I just took my eyelash glue and glued these to different areas of my body, and then used a bobby pin to get another one on the bottom of my hair. I used two liquid lipsticks. First, just a matte orange, and then right over top of that, I used a metallic bright orange. Now using my glitter, I placed this on the bottom lashes, so directly on my actual lashes, just adding some interest and more glitter. And then to create the faux freckles, I used my silicone brush again, and I used the orange eyeshadow we used in the beginning, and then a brown eyeshadow right over top my cheeks and nose. To finish up the look, I added color contact lenses. I do have a discount code for you guys down below, so be sure to check that out. And then just place some of that same glitter right over top my lips in the center. This just creates a fuller look to the lip. So that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. I would love to know what you plan on being for Halloween this year, so comment that down below. Again, check out the description box for more information and direct links. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video.